The Football Kenya Federation is awaiting word from the Court of Arbitration on sports on their appeal over CAF's decision to reinstate Equatorial Guinea into the African Women's Cup of Nations barely 10 days to the tournament. Now, CAF's disciplinary board had earlier on suspended the West Africans from the competition for fielding an illegible player in their qualification match against Kenya's Harambee Starlets, but the appeals committee rescinded the decision, reinstating them with barely 10 days left. Kenya's Starlets had already kicked off residential training and even played a friendly match against Ghana's Black Queens before the appeals board made their decision.